Hey, Doug from LS Engine Kings here. Again, another one of our badass LS engines. This one happens to be the LQ9. This is our baby in the thing, but it made 520 some horsepower. Tell you, we built some really cool ass motors here. This one was painted metallic silver. It's got a polished water pump with a full boat system. Got a nice polished intake on here. Polished valve covers. Thing runs fabulous, just like all our engines. If you're looking for anything, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. What's the magic word? The proof is in the performance. Peace.
All right, we're ready to roll.